poised. Let me say that much to deliver big for Calabar.
So I wasn't brave enough to say it, but that's exactly what I wanted to say.
They have the potential, and it's gonna be a cracking final. They get there, and again, mind games will be important. Lane draw will be important.
So you saw a shot there on the outside of Jaeden Salmon in 8. Andrew Loney from Holy Trinity is also there. You talk about Sharp. You spoke about Peter. Jaeden Campbell from Excelsior is one to watch as well. Richie Dryden from Sydney Pagan. Zaire Campbell from Marcus Garvey is in lane 3. And then Javon Bramwell from York Castle is in lane 2. And Jaeden Campbell from Excelsior promising something special this year.
Yeah, especially over 400-meter hurdles. But the discussions, people haven't left him out of the discussion in this 400 meters. But given the performance of Pitta and Sharp, people have him in for a bronze. But again, Excelsior has a tendency to surprise at championships, but it's going to take a big run to unseat those two. And if anyone can do it, Jaeden Campbell is the man.
Fly, Eagles fly. So they settle into their blocks. Bramwell Campbell, Dryden Campbell, that's Jaeden Campbell, Mackenzie, Loney, Salmon on the outside.
Set.
So they're sent off now. This is section 3 of 8. Class 2 points, 400 meters. Jaeden Campbell gets up really well. He's already up on the athlete on his outside. That's Mackenzie from William Knibb. And Jaeden Campbell looks strong, looks powerful on that back stretch and leads the entire field. Campbell from Marcus Garvey is trying to get into the mix. Mackenzie from William Knibb is right there as well. But Jaeden Campbell looks so easy, unbothered, no fuss as he swings off the bend and leads everyone. Mackenzie in second, being passed now by Loney from Holy Trinity. So it will be Campbell. Shuts it down now, comes across the line at 49.62. That was impressive from Jaeden Campbell. 49.66. Loney, 50.87 on the clock downstairs. This man is on a mission. Jaeden Campbell has had his issues with injuries. Says he feels good coming into the championship.